In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your GoDaddy domain to a HostPapa account through a quick and simple tutorial. We'll be walking through each step together to ensure everything is set up smoothly. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to the HostPapa website by entering hostpapa.com/dashboard in your browser's address bar. Once you're here, log in using your email and password. If you haven't already set up an account, this would be the time to do so. Now, assuming you're logged in, look for the section called Web Hosting on your dashboard. You should see an entry labeled My cPanel. Go ahead and click on that to access the detailed backend of your hosting service. Inside cPanel, scroll down until you find the Domains section. This is where you'll see an option for the Zone Editor. This tool is essential as it helps with the management of your domain records. From here, hover over or click on Zone Editor, where you'll copy the details of your HostPapa name servers. Make sure to copy these accurately as they are critical for the seamless connection of your domain to your hosting service. Next, open a new tab and visit GoDaddy's website at godaddy.com. Once there, click on Sign In and navigate to My Products. This will take you to a page listing all your purchased domains. Find the particular domain you're planning to connect with HostPapa from this list. Next to your chosen domain, there's a small button labeled DNS. Click on it. This will direct you to the DNS management page for that domain, where you'll make the necessary server link changes. Now within the DNS settings, look for the section that mentions name servers and you should see a button labeled Change. Click on this button to make your changes. You'll then see an option to Enter My Own Name Servers Advanced. Select that. Carefully enter the HostPapa name servers that you copied earlier into the fields provided. After entering them, make sure to save or confirm changes to ensure that everything is recorded correctly. After saving, return to HostPapa's cPanel and look for Add-in Domains under the Domain section. This is where you'll link your domain purchased from GoDaddy. Enter the domain name you wish to add and click Add Domain. It's important to note that DNS changes can take up to 24 hours to propagate fully across the internet. This means it might take some time before the domain points correctly to your HostPapa hosting. And there you have it. Once everything propagates, your GoDaddy domain will successfully point to your HostPapa account. This simple process, while involving a few steps, is straightforward once you familiarize yourself with the interface. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial made the process a lot easier for you. With a bit of patience and precision, your domain will be linked to your hosting in no time.